Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Velvra Parasite cleanse subscription. So if you have taken any subscription by mistake or by your knowledge when you purchase product, if you choose subscribe and save, and if you have taken any subscription, so how you can cancel it. Okay, so the cancellation is very easy, but the thing you need to keep in your mind, that is very important thing, that is like proof of cancellation. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to type on any, you can say like on any browser, like how to cancel Velvra Parasite cleansing subscription, and this will pop up on this kind of search result like manage subscription, and you need to tap on this button like manage subscription, and it will open a new page, manage subscription page. On the page there is a button like manage subscription. You need to tap on the button and you will redirect on this page. On this page you need to enter your email ID, and once you enter your email ID, which is your registered email ID when you place your order. Okay, so you need to click on send verification code, and once you send verification code, and by using code you can log into your account and you can manage. If you are not a technical person and if you don't know how to do this task, so there is one more method by which you can cancel your subscription very easily. So you need to compose an email. In the email subject box you need to said like cancellation of current subscription on Velvra, and in the body you need to provide your name, your email ID and your registered phone number, and each and everything you have to provide. And in the body you need to please mention your reason why you want to cancel your subscription, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. And once you complete, you can like compose, when you completely compose your email, you need to send this email at their email address, that is like support@tryvelvera.com, which is also mentioned on their official website contact us page, support@tryvelvera.com. And once you send your email, they will contact you regarding your subscription cancellation. And if you don't get any kind of proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is still active and your subscription is not ended. Okay, so you need to keep in touch regarding your subscription cancellation. Okay, and but make sure like you need to provide at least 5 to 7 days notice period, because they need some time to read your you can like email, to read your confirm your identity and all. So they need some time, so you need to provide at least 7 days notice period. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.